So today I thought I'm gonna take you with me while I create a brand new image, and the idea for the image is basically that I have a lot of different polaroids which will show my face. So you can see it in the sketch now. I'm not really good at describing, but basically I have a lot of different polaroid frames which will cover certain parts of my face, and one polaroid frame I will have in the hand, and it will show the part which is missing in my face, so it's like kind of conceptual. I hope it's interesting for you, and I thought I'm gonna take you with me while I create this image. And as you can maybe see, I don't have any makeup on yet. So the first thing I would usually do is like get ready, get some fresh makeup on, and then we are going to create the Polaroid frames, and then we're gonna set everything up, shoot some photos, and I also take you with me while I'm editing the image a little bit. If that sounds interesting to you, I would say let's start. So now that I look a little bit fresher, the thing I will do is I will cut a couple of Polaroid frames out of this piece of paper. So it's a little thicker paper, not too thin, but I mean I only had this one and it has something on the back, but I hope you can't see it. And I have original Polaroid picture as a reference, so I know kind of like the size of the Polaroid frames I will cut out of this paper. And yeah, I think there will be 3 getting out of this one paper, and I think that will be enough, as some of them I will also edit inside of Photoshop. So let's do that. Okay, great. So I have created 2 frames and they will be enough. You can see it already looks pretty cool. And now I'm gonna just set up all the lights and the camera, and then I'm gonna shoot the images. Okay, great. So I just changed in a different outfit because I want to wear like this blue shirt in this picture, and I set up my 5D Mark III, so my photo camera, and I have a remote control for it, so I can actually shoot remotely photos with it. I only have like one really high tripod which I currently use for my film camera, and that's why it's a little bit difficult because like the other tripod is a little smaller, so I have to go down like this, and then I can shoot photos. So let's see how the first one looks like. I guess it's okay. And now I just need the Polaroid frames, which I have over here, and I'm gonna shoot a couple of photos. Hey guys, voiceover Emily here. If you're wondering how I triggered the remote, I just had them at my feet and I triggered them with my feet. I do this really regularly and it's actually super easy, so if you need both hands in a photo, this is really a good trick. Okay, great. So now that we shot all of the images, I'm just here on my iMac and I'm looking through the images we just shot, and I'm selecting a couple ones which I really like, and then I'm gonna put together the whole photo. So within Photoshop, I just selected a couple of images which I really liked and which really fit to the final result I had in mind, and then I edited my fingers out, so it's basically only the frames, and I selected the frames with the parts of my body inside the frame, and then I put them on a grayish background, as the background also was when I was shooting the image. And then I was taking another image in where I have only one frame in the hand, and I was putting it in the background, so it actually looks like I'm really like inside the frame, but my face is out of a couple of Polaroid images. And last but not least, I edited the whole image, so I made my lips a little redder, the shirt a little bluer, and painted with lights, so made the image look a little bit more surreal. And then I've realized that there was a part missing up there in the frame, and I just edited it with the frame from another image. So I just finished the photo, and this is how the final result looks like. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired you to create some self-portrait photos yourself. If it inspired you, I would be super happy if you would subscribe to my channel and leave a nice comment, as this really motivates me to continue here on YouTube. And then I will probably see you next Thursday. Bye!